in business news.
I believe that we're still going to see significant support for the dollar, at least while 2017 commences. If you look on the economic scale, the GDP growth rates in the United States are still far superior to what we're seeing in Europe, Japan and other developed economies. As well as this, we also have the prospect for higher interest rates in the United States, which is going to provide support for the dollar. But if you look more locally towards what's happening towards this geographical location, I believe that there will be pressure on the euro. We've got a lot of political events this year, elections in France, Holland, Germany. We've seen recently what political risk can have on a currency. And speaking of political risks, I do expect there to be significant pressure on the British pound. There's so much uncertainty following the EU referendum outcome. Investors still are unsure whether the UK is going to leave the European Union and on what timescale. Article 50 represents a huge risk to the UK economy, and I still believe we're going to see more weakness in the British pound to sum up. I think 2017 will be a continuation of what happened in 2016, and we're going to see more political risks in the developed world. We've already seen what happened with the EU referendum outcome with the United Kingdom in the summer of last year. Towards the end of the last year, we obviously had the unexpected US election outcome. This year, we've got political risks in Europe. You've got elections in France, Germany, Holland. Political risks are going to remain a theme in the investor background, and they will continue to attract headlines this year. 2016 was a busy year for the company, both in terms of product and company developments and also in terms of financial market volatility. From a product standpoint, we launched FXTM Invest, our social and copy trading program. We also launched a shares account where you can trade company shares with direct liquidity to NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchanges. And to conclude 2016, we launched a new MT5 platform, which offers the option of hedging. This is definitely a very competitive industry, but there are significant achievements that FXT have made in a short lifespan that we're proud of. We've managed to invest in the local economy, become one of the major employers in Cyprus, and also expand our operations on a global scale. We're also now seen as a leading international broker, and we are known to invest heavily in client education. Now, this is what we specialize in, client education. We will continue to hold many different events around the world and be seen as a leading educational provider. We've also got a significant brand, and we're regularly referenced by leading global outlets such as the Reuters, Financial Times, Wall Street Journal, doing broadcast interviews with the like of CNBC, CCTV, Bloomberg. There are significant achievements that FXTM's made, but we've still got many more achievements to go, and 2017 will be a very busy year for us.